Hi everybody, welcome to ISA's Repair Lab. We're going to do a product spotlight today on a Notifier CPX-551. So you can see in my hand I've actually got the Notifier CPX-551 smoke detector head. You can tell this is an older unit. It's one that's already been through our testing facility here at ISA. This one's reconditioned. It's ready to go out the door if you have one that you're trying to replace. Now keep in mind, we're always looking to buy back older parts as well. So if you have some you want to send in for repair, we can do that for you, repair them and send them back out to you. Or if you have some, maybe you're replacing an older system, keep in mind that ISA actually offers buybacks, which means we'll buy back everything from the CPU boards, power supplies, even down to the smoke heads themselves. So if you have questions about replacing one of these or information on our buyback program, be sure to contact us. This is Nick Dumeier. We'll talk to you again soon.